In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your store activity log on your Shopify store. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, you will need to have a Shopify plan, of course. So I want to let you know about this special offer running right now. I will leave a link in the description below with this special offer that will get you any Shopify plan for just €1 per month for the next 3 months. So in my case, I have chosen the most expensive plan, which is normally almost €400 per month. I got it for just €1 per month for the next 3 months, and you even get 3 days of Shopify completely for free. So it's the best way to try Shopify and don't spend a lot of money. So you can choose any plan you want and you will just spend €3. So don't forget to use the link in the description below, and now let's begin. So once you have your plan, you need to go to the settings at the bottom left. Then once you are here at General, we are going to scroll down to the bottom and you will see Store Activity Log. So if we go right here, we will see the log list of basically any changes that happened on your shop. So for example, right here, I just added a new user on my shop. Then here I created a new product. And yeah, we can basically see every single thing that happened. So that's it. That's how you can see your store activity log on Shopify. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.